Hello, good morning everyone. So this is episode 20 of Backyard Seasonal Plants. So let's get started. So these are, I believe,
Beans. See, that one is so nice. Beans. It's a lot of beans.
It's still growing.
Yeah. So good.
Then here
This-
we got the
This is the
chili
peppers.
peppers.
Right here, it's so nice peppers. There's a lot of peppers right here. You can see. So nice peppers. Yeah. It's a lot of peppers we get this year. See, it's a lot of here. Yes, right here is a lot of. One is the big pepper right there. Yeah, we can take it out that one today. Maybe later. Yeah. That one is the tomatoes. It's a lot of tomatoes right here. It's over here. So right here is the flower, rose. Yeah. Is the bottom over here. This one is the rose plant. Yeah. Right here is the. It's a lot of over here the chili. This is the chili plant also. Lot of tomatoes right here. See, right here is a lot of tomatoes. Lot of beans here. See, it's so nice beans. Yeah. Okay, that one is the chili. Right here is a lot of chilies. You can see, oh my God, it's a lot of small chilies. Aris, you remember the last time we see that? Yeah, you see, small one, but it's so nice. Okay, we can take it out that stuff also. Okay, this one is the peppers. This one is the small peppers. This one is a different kind of pepper. I think is a
I think it's
different kind of
yeah,
right there. Yeah. This one is tomato. Right here is tomato. Very small tomatoes. This one. See, that one is bitter melon. Right here is the small bitter melon. Right here. This is the okra. Right here is the okra right here. This one is the jalapeno. Or you say Haras jalapeno? Jalapeno. Yeah. This one is the sag. Ganar sag. Yeah, we can eat that one. Okay, this one is that one is eggplant. We have lot of flower. Over here we have the bitter melon right here.
this one growing like that.
Yeah, it's a lot of bitter melon. Where?
The white one.
Yeah. It's the big bitter melon right here. Over here. It's the two different
That-
kind of bitter melon.
Yeah, that one's different.
Yeah.
White. There's another big one right there.
This one is
Lemon.
lemon tree. We planted this here. It's so good. This one is eggplant. This one is chili. See the chili plant right here is so big.
Yeah, there's flowers too.
Yeah. It's a lot of over here. Lot of chili flower also. Yeah. Over here we have the lot of bitter melon plant. Right here is the bitter melon. You see that one? It's so good. That one is so good. So big. This one is the beans also. The bean plant. Yeah, this one is the Good. That's the bitter melon. So nice. Up here also bitter melon. One right here is the big one. You see that one? So big, and this one also right here. Lot of bitter melon. This is the fig. this is the bitter melon also here. This is the fig. Oh my god, this is the ready to eat. That one. Yeah. This inside there, some fig is the ready to eat. Okay, I showed you the big bitter melon. You can see right here. It's so big bitter melon, so long. Yeah. That one is nice. Yeah. This one is the okra. We have the big okra right here.
That's
Yeah, that one is so big. This is the eggplant. Yeah, we have the flower over here. We have the eggplant. We have the peppers right here. We have the bitter melon right here, over here. Also, right here, one big bitter melon right here. Yeah, this is the eggplant. Yeah, this is the mint. This is the green peppers. No, this is the green peppers. Yeah, it's a lot of. One bitter melon is right here. It's so good. We have one over here. Yeah, it's so good. This is the egg. No, the okra right here. It's a lot of bitter melon right here. Oh, one big bitter melon right here. You can see. Yeah, this one is the white one. Yeah. We have the lot of bitter melon right here. We have the one more big one right here. Yeah, see right here is the big one. That one is good. That one is so nice. Yeah, one is right here, right there also. Yeah. See, we have the lot of bitter melon. We see this one also.
Oh,
that one. That one is the big one. Yeah. Okay. We have the lot of bitter melon plants here also. Yeah. So you see that one. Yeah, we have the okra and bitter melon. We have the big bitter melon right here. Right here is the big one. It's a lot of inside there. This is the okra. So nice okra right here. I think we need to take it out there. Okay, this one is the bitter melon right here. So good bitter melon right here. This one is the okra right here. This is the cherry tree. Right here is the cherry tree bodies. That one is bitter melon right here. We have the so big bitter melon right here. We need to take it out, that one. Yeah, it's so good. This is the bitter melon. This is the bitter melon also. Yeah, it's a lot of. We have the okra inside right here. What we can see is on the bottom. Right here is a lot of bitter melon right here. This is the okra right here. It's a lot of okra right here. Right here we have the okra. It's a lot of. This is the okra also. And this is the bitter melon right here. See, ours, this one is big one. We have the chili plant over there and okra also. Yeah, this one is the big one also. Because this one we need the heat for that one. This one is the pepper. Right here is the big pepper. Over here is the chili. Here is a lot of chilies.
bell pepper.
Yeah, this is our backyard. I hope you enjoy the backyard. Yeah. Yeah. It's so nice backyard. Yeah. We see that one, Aris?
Yeah.
The bitter melon.
Yeah.
You can see it's a lot of nice bitter melon. And it's so good. This one is so good also. Yeah. have the lot of stuff this year. I hope you enjoy. This one is right here is so good. That one is so good. This one is right here. I think it's ready to eat. This lot of up there is ready to eat. Haris, we not take it out. That's why it's
We're
up there. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and share. Yeah, we have the inside the chili plant over there also. Please subscribe and share.
Please subscribe and share. Leave a like if you want more plant videos. And thank you.